So, the Pixel 10 series may still be months away, but excitement is already building for Google's next flagship lineup. Speculations about a new Tensor G5 chip and enhanced biometric features suggest this could be the most advanced Pixel yet. According to Android headlines, the Pixel 10 lineup will include 4 models: Pixel 10, codenamed Frankel, Pixel 10 Pro as Blazer, Pixel 10 Pro XL as Mustang, and Pixel 10 Pro Fold as Rango. These codenames, inspired by horse breeds, suggest a continuation of the diverse lineup seen in the Pixel 9 series. There is also mention of the Pixel 9a, codenamed Tegu, although details about it remain limited. Google's Pixel phones are celebrated for their computational photography, and the Pixel 10 is expected to refine this hallmark feature further. While hardware improvements, such as larger sensors or new lens configurations, may appear, the real magic will likely come from AI-driven software enhancements. Features like night sight, astrophotography, and portrait mode are expected to see upgrades, enabling better image quality even in challenging conditions. The Pixel 10 series may also focus on video capabilities. Building on Video Boost introduced with the Pixel 8 series, the new devices are rumored to provide improved stabilization and clarity, making them ideal for mobile videographers. AI-driven tools like Zoom Enhance are expected to maintain image quality at higher zoom levels without adding bulk to the hardware. Additionally, features like Add Me and Reimagine, first introduced with the Pixel 9, are likely to evolve, offering users even more creative control over photo editing. Leaked details from Google's G-Chips division hint at the potential of the Tensor G5 chip. Expected upgrades include 4K HDR video recording at 60 FPS, a step up from the Pixel 9's 30 FPS limit, and new features such as generative AI-based intuitive video editing. Other tools like Speak to Tweak for voice-controlled editing and Sketch to Image for turning sketches into photos could revolutionize the editing experience. As for the release, Google might follow the Pixel 9's August 2025 debut or revert to its traditional October timeline. Pricing is expected to remain consistent with the Pixel 9 series. So, what are your thoughts on the upcoming Pixel 10 series? Share your opinions in the comments below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next video.